everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Sunday Cook with me. Well, today we're doing another quick and easy summer dessert. I think next week we'll work on to some savory dishes, but this is another one that I think y'all can make so easily. The kids could make it too. So, how many of you like a nice citrusy flavored dessert in the summertime? It seems like it's a really cool, refreshing type of flavor for summertime. Well, that's what we're going to make today. We're going to another party today. That's 2 weeks in a row. This one is a birthday party for me. Happy birthday. Yeah, actually, yesterday was my birthday, which, for those of you old enough to remember, was the original Memorial Day, May 30th, before it became a Monday holiday. And so as a little kid, when I was growing up, they had parades on my birthday every year. And actually, I lived right across from the school where the parade ended. And they had cookouts and sodas and everything for all of the kids and people who marched in the parade. And we used to decorate bikes and baby carriages and everything and march in the parade. I didn't have any idea the full meaning behind Memorial Day at that point in time. I just thought it was terrific that I was having a parade on my birthday. But anyway, so we're going to celebrate it today. It's the day after. And I'm going to make a nice dessert. I haven't even been asked to bring anything, but I'm going to bring it anyway. And it's lemon bars. Now, lemon bars are delicious, and they're sweet but tangy and give you a little bit of that citrusy, refreshing taste in the summertime. This is a simple recipe that anybody can make. So I'm going to take you down to the counter, and we're going to have fun making some lemon bars for a birthday party. Back in just a minute. Okay, here we are down at the counter. And in this lemon bar recipe, there are only 2 ingredients. A box of Angel Food cake mix and a can of lemon pie filling. That's all there is to it. Now, I've not made them before, so we're trying this all together, but it looked like it worked out well. And I saw several recipes for it. Now you have to use Angel Food cake mix, not just any cake mix, okay? Well, I will get that knife back in there in a minute. There you go. Dump that in the bowl. If we don't choke on all of the powder that comes out of an Angel Food cake mix with all the egg whites. And we'll add the lemon pie filling. My oven is preheating to 350. I think that's about got it all. Now it says to mix this just until it comes together nicely. Don't overmix it. If it has a few lumps in it, that's okay. So we're going to start mixing this. And you have to be careful because of that. This is, you know, angel food cake has a lot of egg whites in it, so that's like egg white powder. And it's like a dust. And I can see it's difficult to combine with something else. Have to work at it a little bit. There, it's going now. Make sure you get down to the bottom of the bowl. Get that powder out of there. I think that's about all I'm going to mix it. Now I have my 9 by 13 pan. Let me just wipe that out a little bit. That's just some of the cake mix. And it says to spray it very well. So that's what we shall do. On the bottom and up the sides. Now, if you don't like lemon, you could do the same thing with a different flavor. How about a pineapple? And that would make a pineapple bar. Okay, there you go. Look at that. We're going to put that in the 350-degree oven, and I'll let you know how long we cook it when we take it out. I'll be back in a bit when it comes back out of the oven. Okay, here we are, right out of the oven. It looks good already. It was about 30 minutes. It says 25 to 30 till it's light brown and a toothpick comes out mostly clean. And I tried it at 25 and I thought I'm going to give it the other 5. Probably could have taken it out at 25, but I think it's going to be fine. This pan has these little corners in it. I will have little corners to eat. So now here's the kicker. It has to cool completely before you cut it. And that should take about 2 hours. So I'm going to leave it sitting here, getting nice and cool. And I'll come back in a couple of hours and we'll cut a piece and see what it's like. So hang in there. I'll be back. Okay, here we are. It's cool now. Now the first thing I'm going to do because I want to be fancy, is to put a little powdered sugar on it. So I have a puppy across the street who likes to hear his own voice, and so barks all the time. Trying to get up in those corners. Okay. Oh, sorry. Did I disrupt you too much? No, I don't think so. So now I'm going to cut. I'm going to start it here. And let me cut one here, here, here. Look at that. Ooh, it looks good. It came out of the dish very easily. I don't think I'm going to have trouble with the corners. I think they're going to come out just fine. All right, let me give a little taste test. Hold on, I'll be back in a second. Okay, let's see what we got here. Light as a feather. Boy, that is good. That is delicious. Now, it is more cake consistency than the lemon pudding consistency. But it is very lemony and so springy and sweet. Delicious. I wouldn't call it, I think I would call it lemon angel squares, because it doesn't have that real pudding consistency, but it is so good. You gotta try this one. 2 ingredients. I made it all fun. And I even did that with a blue shirt on. Yummo. But that is delicious. And I will be back again next week, Wednesday. We're going to have a craft day. But I hope you try this recipe. That is excellent. And if you can find key lime pie filling, that would make a very good tasting one too, or pineapple. So that's a great thing. I think I'm going to make sure I have an angel food cake mix in my cabinet at all times. So when I feel like having an easy, delightful, light, sweet dessert, I just have to get my pie filling. So I'll see you again Wednesday, and until then, everybody have a great afternoon, evening, morning, night, whatever it is for you. Do try making one of these. I don't know if I have powdered sugar all over my face, probably. And I will see you again on Wednesday, and until I do, everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.